Hey guys, I am Pikachu, and welcome to the the official Duckling Friends qu- quiz. Quiz, of course. Now, make sure you get your questions here, okay? Now, let's answer some questions. Let's do this. Here's a good one. All right, it says. All right, this question number one says, "What year?" Sorry. All right, the truth or false question. It says, no, let me read it. Give me that. Hey! Alright, the question says that, does the hot air balloon make it flat? Of course. Alright, viewers, subscribers, make sure you put your questions. Of course, this is not just like Ask Pikachu. It's a quiz, of course. Okay? It's quiz. Now, make sure you get your paper, just like education stuff. Now, we're going to show you guys the 10-second timer. But where can we find it? Shut it! Don't ruin it for the viewers. Stupid. Now you're just being so rude. Rude? I didn't mean to. Alright, here's the 10-second timer. Hold on. Babe, why you turn it off? Too bright. Perfect. Now, here's the 10-second timer. You've got 10 seconds to answer this question. Speaking of which, let's get to it right now. Let's start. Time's up! Now, let me show the answers. Turn in your answers. Now, the answer to this question from the truth or false question is false. The answer is false. It cannot be flat. Just like the earth is flat. No, the earth is not flat. Yes, it is. The earth is always flat. What the piggy nuggets, King Pig? The earth is flat. Sharp. No, what? Let's move on. Alright. Next question. Alright. From Annoying Orange, is Marshmallows a boy or a girl? This is a tricky question. Let's show the 10-second timer, of course. This is so fun. Alright, time's up. Turn in your answers. Let's see the answer is. The answer is none of the above. What? Why none of the above? Cause nobody knows what Marshmallow's gender. How on earth no one knows Marshmallow's gender? How? How they never know what is Marshmallow's gender? Alright. Next question, based on Looney Tunes. I'll read this one. Oh! What the heck is that doing here? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna let you read this one. From Looney Tunes, what is Bugs Bunny's catchphrases? A. What's... Don't tell them the answers. Oh, come on. I'm just giving them a hint. Alright.